Hi everyone! In this video, I'll create stunning gemstone-style homes for Rumi, Mira, and Zoey. Diamond, ruby, or sapphire. Finally! What's waiting for me inside? The room is open. So cool, I just want to sing. I have something for Rumi. A diamond? Let's quickly see what's inside. Cut the package open. It's wall material with a double-sided tape. I stick the strips on and remove the backing. Oh, I can't reach. Can you help me cover the wall? Stretch the fabric and secure it. Look, the corner came loose. Yippee! It turned out really great. Now the rest of the walls. They need fabric too. What an independent doll I have. Whew, that was work. Oh, what about this floor? I have materials to choose from. I want this one. I cover the floor with mirrored faux leather. Beautiful, but something's missing. Ta-da! Wow, is that a frame? Let's place a Huntrix portrait inside. And now it can go on the wall. Don't forget Derpy. That's so cute. For Genu, a special spot in a heart. Oh, what's this? Well, I'll turn this into a diamond lamp. I have clear gel, pigment, glitter, and holographic foil here. Add pigment and glitter to the gel and mix it well. So pretty. Cure them with UV light. They look like colorful ice crystals. Gently file the edges. Apply polish and connect the parts together. It turned into a cute little cup. Thread fairy lights through the side hole, wrap them in film and place them inside. Cover it with a lid. Crystal lanterns are ready. Attach them to a stand and place them in the corner. Rumi's room will have a chest with gemstones. Let's decorate it with silver charms. This room is absolutely incredible. Beautiful hangings. Oh my gosh! And that lamp. Share in the comments if you like my house. Is Rumi already done? Wow! There's so much here. And I worked really hard. Hey! What about me? And here's the ruby key for Rumi. Let's open it quickly. Like this. Done. Time to start the makeover. First, let's choose wall material. I want this one. Attach red wrapping paper all around the room. I press down the corners. We'll add a sparkly border to the walls and attach it with double-sided tape. Shall we update the floor? Lay down felt and decorate the seams with trim. I brought my portrait. Let's hang it in a place of honor. Let's secure the name plaque. Ooh, I'm tired. I already brought a doll sofa. Mira can relax here. You didn't forget about me, did you? Let's open my room. We insert the key and turn it. The sapphire room is open. But it's so empty in here. Shall we decorate it? I place the templates and cut out lots of stars. Attach them to silver foam sheets. All that's left is to secure them. This place needs a sign with my name in sapphire style. Let's fix it in place. Perfect. Just a little more. I'll help by placing the wardrobe in the corner. Arrange Huntrix photos and cute little trinkets on the shelves. Everything is blue. Awesome! Is it just me, or is it kind of dark in here? I'll make a cool chandelier right now. Whoa, slime! I won't need it, but this lid will work perfectly. Remove the clear dome. Place a template on cardboard, trace it, and cut slits around the wings. Now they're three-dimensional. Using a shaped punch, I cut silver mini butterflies and attach them in the center. Wrap the dome with a piece. Place colorful fairy lights inside. Attach the hanger. The chandelier is ready. What else should we decorate the house with? How about blue beads? I hang them under the roof. The final touch is a potted flower.
Thanks!
We'll need a round silver base. Place it on a piece of faux fur. Trace the base. And cut it out with decorative scissors. Apply glue. And secure the blanket. Wrap it with transparent mesh. I'll split a diamond into smaller gems. Line the bed's edges with them. All that's missing are pillows. Use light clay and shape a pillow. Define the edges with a sculpting tool. Coat it with glitter polish. It looks absolutely incredible. This is the best bed in the world. Oh, it's so comfy and soft. And Rumie's bed can easily turn into a stage. The performance is over. Time for sleep. Let's wish the doll a good night. Oh, what sound woke Roomie up?
Huh?
A car just drove by. Mira's clothes have arrived. Wow, that's a huge pile of outfits.
Woohoo!
I love dressing up. Style is my middle name, but where am I supposed to hang everything? No worries, I'll make a clothing rack. What should I use for crafting? Just perfect. I paint the pieces with red acrylic. 2 parts are ready. Wrap them with self-adhesive rhinestone strips, placing them into the spiral grooves. For the base, I cover a ruler with foam sheets. Secure the pulls. Right, I'll take apart my bracelet. Glue beads to the corners. All that's left is making hangers from chenille wire. A ruby-style rack is ready. I place it in an empty corner. All my outfits will fit here. We neatly hang the doll clothes. And where should I put my shoes? Their spot is on the bottom shelf. Thank you. Hey Mira, hi. Roomie, shall we do a fashion show? The friends look adorable in their new outfits. What's that noise upstairs? The sound is coming from Zoey's room. What's going on? I don't even have a place to sit. I'll fix everything. Can I borrow the sponge? Apply hot glue and stick them together. Connect them lengthwise. Add a backrest. Hide the seams with shiny ribbons and sequins. Prepared sapphire-style pillows in advance. The perfect furniture for Zoey's room.
Yay!
Finally! Thank you. The new sofa is so cool and comfy. Girls, come over to my place. At least all the friends are together.
Wow!
Can I sit down? Let's have a snack.
Yes!
I set up a table. Serve snacks and treats for Huntrix. And here are cocktails for the girls.
Yummy.
Awesome, thanks. My favorite noodles. Let's put on a concert.
Huh?
But where? No one will hear us in the room. We have a balcony. What? Right, we totally forgot. Can you make a stage for us here? Of course, no problem. But the dolls will need to leave for now. We need silver foam sheets. Cut out the right shape and attach it to the wall. Install a ruby-style base and a golden backdrop behind it. Hang the Huntrix logo. Place powerful speakers in the corners. Hang sapphire beads. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more awesome crafts. The girls are already on stage.
Shine on me, shine on me. I'm a star that you can't unsee. Glow so wild, I'm breaking free. Oh, shine on me.
Look, a house for sale. What do you guys think? We're buying it.
Yay!
Huntrix finally have their own house. Congrats on your new home. Upstairs will be Zoey's room.
Wow, I love it!
And I'm calling this one. Red's my favorite color.
This one's mine, the purple room.
Perfect. Now everyone's got her own space.
Hey guys, I'm about to give you a room tour. So here I've got, my room's totally empty.
Don't worry.
Yay!
I'm laying out tiny bead pieces on a special base plate. It's really important to place the colors in the right order, one by one. I cover it with parchment paper and iron it gently. It's quick and easy. The bead art is done. Here you go, Roomie.
I'll hang it right here.
Let's add a second portrait too.
Wow, 2 derbies.
And a poster with Roomie's name. Perfect.
Vlog update. Now I've got not 1, but 2 derbies living here. Here's my name sign. And this is the Huntrix logo. Thumbs up if you agree Derpy's the cutest.
Whoa, that's a mountain of food. Oops.
Oh no, where are you rolling off to?
Let me help you with that.
Where am I even supposed to put all this?
I'll make you a table. I'll need some kitchen foil. Then I cover it with air-dry clay. Now I'm shaping tiny ovals that look like rice grains and pressing them onto the surface, wrapping it with a strip of clay nori, a layer of wasabi, and a juicy shrimp. Add the tail. In the middle, I'll add a filling of salmon and avocado. What a delicious sushi roll. Next up, the tabletop. I'm cutting it from clear plastic and gluing it on top. Zoey, this tasty-looking table is just for you.
Wow, it looks amazing!
Let's place the food on it, set up some chairs, and put a comfy bed in the corner. A mirror with a soft frame, a cute rug, and a stylish couch on the other side. Let's add a plant. Now Zoey's room looks super cozy.
Time to invite some guests. Rumi, come over. Hey Mira, get up here.
Let's all have lunch together. Wait, is that food? I'm starving. Oops, Mira ate everything. That was delicious, but I'm still hungry. Ooh, what's that? Looks so tasty.
Mira, that's the table.
I just want to take a closer look.
Oh, Mira.
I'm gonna taste it anyway. I was only checking how strong it is.
So, did it pass the test?
Yep, definitely strong. Comment below if you think this sushi table looks totally delicious too. Welcome to my room, my lovely subscribers. Help me set up my furniture. Sure thing. This couch also works as a jewelry box. Super handy for storing all your rings. There's even space for Mira's shoes. Wow, that's awesome. Thanks. Let's place it right here. And a cozy blanket on top. I'll finish the look with a plant and a little rug. If only I had something tasty too. I've got an idea. I'll need a plastic container, wrapping it in pink foam paper, then gluing on a label. I'm poking holes in the bottom using a pen, threading thick strings through them, and then weaving a string light through, securing it inside and mounting it in the top corner of the wall, twisting the light strand with the threads. There, what do you think, Mira? Wow! Lalaloot, take a picture of me pretending to eat them. Dear subscribers, I've got news for you. I've got this super cool noodle-shaped light. Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. Let's see what Roomie's up to.
Still decorating my room.
Here's a stylish little lamp and a comfy beanbag chair. Where should we put the plant?
Over there. And here, a clothing rack.
Got it.
I'll hang up all my outfits. Perfect. Gotta show my followers. This is my wardrobe, and this is my chair, my super stylish lamp, and right here will be the most important part, the bed.
I'm taking a sheet of foam and drawing an oval, then cutting it out. I've already prepared some extra pieces. On one side, I'm attaching silver tulle, and on the other, purple velvet. Gluing the edges together to make a canopy, and connecting it to the base, lining the bottom with faux fur, adding a fluffy border, and decorating the outside with sparkly foam paper.
And a little pillow.
Let's spread out a soft blanket on top.
With little ears.
And just like that, Roomie's cozy bed is ready.
Awesome! Where's my phone? I have to show my followers right now. Check out my brand new gorgeous bed. Looks like Derpy wants to join too. Meow, so soft. Subscribers, meet my Derpy. Hey Roomie, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Then what's moving over there?
You must be imagining things.
Weird. Okay, I'm off then.
Phew, that was close. Mira doesn't want any kitties in the house. Don't worry, little one.
Let's check back in with Zoey.
I need to organize all my stuff.
Let me help. What's in here?
That's my favorite blanket. So much cozier this way. And here's my little pillow. Look how fluffy it is.
And what's inside this box? Oh, it's so heavy.
Those are my songwriting notebooks. I've got way too many of them.
Don't worry, I'll make you some cute shelves. I'll need a small piece of cardboard. Using a ruler, I cut out 3 strips. I fold one edge into a square shape and glue it down. Then I do the same on the other side. And look, it's a music note, painting it blue with acrylic paint. Perfect. I made 3 shelves and hung them on the wall.
Awesome! Now all my notebooks are in place. Want to hear my new song?
Fix the flame. I light it again. No more shadows where the truth has been. Burn, burn, no more pain. I'll fix the flame. I'll fix the flame.
Pretty catchy, right? Maybe I still need to work on those lyrics.
My room needs more sparkle and glamour. These pink glitters will be perfect. Ugh, I can't open it. Hold on a second, don't do it yourself. Let me. Mira, what did you do? Oops, guess I used a bit too much strength. I think I need a bath now. Okay, I'll get everything ready. I'll need a cookie box. Wrapping it with foam paper and sealing the edges with hot glue. Adding a sticker. Then I'm decorating the surface with spikes and chains for that rocker vibe. Filling it with fluffy cotton bubbles and some scented bath bombs. Mira's gonna love this. Hop in. Thanks. The water's so nice and warm. Let's add a little side table and a beauty suitcase. I'll arrange some perfume and makeup inside and decorate the wall with posters and stickers. Wow, this place is amazing! Lalalu, call the girls too.
Whoa, your room is awesome!
Let's film a vlog together. The subscribers are loving it. Now let's visit Roomie's room.
Welcome to my room. Whoa, that bed is gorgeous!
Time to check out Zoey's room.
Wow, those shelves are so cool.
Hello, table. We meet again.
I actually wrote something new. Want to hear it? Come on, let's read it. Wow, this is amazing.
I'll fix this fire. I'll make it glow. Turn the embers into gold. I'll fix this fire. Rebuild the flame. Say your name. Say your name. Oh, I'll fix this fire.
Tell us in the comments whose room was your favorite.
I'll fix this fire.
Yay, the house makeover is finally done.